Hey guys, Noob's Kitty Rides on Roblox here. Here we have a Northern Leisure Puppy Cat. This is very rare. I filmed this once, but it got cut off. So here we go. Cat puppy speaking. Made by Northern Leisure to the thousands. I'm sitting on a chair, by the way. Here's the side. Here's the back. I like how there's actually like a gap. Can you see that? I will go to Baby Ford, if that's the name. Yeah, Baby Ford. I will go there and film some rides there. Baby Ford has the same puppy cat, if I remember. But that puppy cat over there doesn't work, sadly. I'm gonna film Rupert. All the rides in the new mall over there. And that was the Northern Leisure Puppy Cat Kitty Ride made by Northern Leisure in the 2000s. And this is Noob's Kitty Ride signing out. Bye bye.